Hi, I am Saurabh Bhatnagar. I lead the Manufacturing and Industry X.0 consulting practice for Accenture in India. Globally, only 13% of businesses have realized the full potential of their investments in digital enablement. So, what does it mean? Now is the time to create, add, and capture value of such digital investments. The opportunity is here and it's now. You will have the opportunity to catalyze our clients' change journeys as they make calibrated commitments for investments for digital enablement of their businesses. A career with rich on-the-job and informal learning, an open culture, and implementing cutting-edge technology-driven digital solutions. Join our team of innovators and enable clients accelerate innovation and drive growth. Explore exciting career opportunities at careers.accenture.com.